In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make a text bubble in Google Docs. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we just need to open Google Docs. So I have this one from here. And once you are in your Google Docs, all you have to do is look at the ribbon and you will find all these tabs. Okay, so simply click on the Insert tab and here you'll find a lot of options. Click on Drawing and click on the plus sign symbol. Okay, so once you're in this window, you will find this one, Shape. Click on that and you'll find here callouts and simply choose the text bubble from here. Okay, oval callout, but it's up to you on what design will you prefer. And then simply draw it on this space and then you can also rotate it and then increase this one that will be pointing to the mouth. And then how you can insert a text on this speech bubble. You have here this option text box. Click on that and simply put a text box in here. You can also rotate it and type your text. Okay. Then you can put it on the center. You can also put a color on your speech bubble. Simply choose that from here. Okay. For the border color, you can go on with it. And then once you're done, okay, then what we can do, we just need to simply click on Save and Close. And that's it. That's how you can easily do it. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.